Erica's biggest pet peeves, and I think a lot of ours.
Yes.
When you're on an escalator, what's the rule? Where do you stand, Erica?
You stand on the right.
You
walk
stand
on
on the right and you walk on the left. Everybody knows this. That helps keep order in the world and allows people in a hurry to get moving. Well, commuters in London are fuming about a big change to that rule at one busy station. Signs there read, stand on both sides, meaning nobody moves. Everyone stands still the whole time.
Why?
And get this, officials say the change will actually increase the flow of passengers, so you're not all lined up to stand on the right side or running on the left side. Not quite sure why. Some commuters have just been ignoring the new rule.
Hashtag shocking, not shocking.
Sometimes you have to get somewhere. You can't just stand
Exactly.
there.
Imagine your stress level at
I'm
rush hour.
just thinking of that.
I can't move.
Excuse me, you're trying to get through? That's going to be
It's like telling all the cars on a highway to stand in this 2 lanes at a uniform speed. No, the left lane is for passengers.
Yes. Yeah.
Left lane is always for passengers.
We'll see how that little experiment works out for them. Meantime, we know Santa Claus is coming to town, so which children's names are most likely to be on the naughty or the nice list? A sticker company over in the UK looked at which kids got the most and least reward stickers for good behavior. Get this. The study included 70,000 students. The names on the nice list for boys, Harry, Ryan, and Ethan. For the girls, Anna, Courtney, and Millie. On the naughty names list, Joseph, James, and Joshua for the boys. Leah, Eleanor, and Jasmine for the girls. Ouch. By the way, I checked Chanel and Willie. Our children, not on either list.
Not on the
Really?
surprise.
They're right in the middle somewhere,
They're
apparently.
neutral.
Dylan Bosco wasn't on either either.
Oh, good. My name was never on any of those things. When you would go and get keychains with the names that are already on there, you'll never see Chanel. Period.
Mine was always in blue and in the boy decoration.
Yeah. Not to remember about childhood, but anyway.
Far be it for me a question of study from a UK sticker company.
However.
But if you're Joey at home or you're Abby, you're going to have a great Christmas. Don't worry about seeing your name on that list.
Yes.
Maybe you've trained your dog to do some cool tricks, right? Dylan, you have. Bosco can sit. But you can't beat this, I promise. Meet Lila, the lobster-catching Labrador. That's her owner, Alex, up there on the bow. All he has to do is point, and Lila dives into the water and snags a lobster from the ocean floor. This is in Florida.
Wow. Her poor face.
Video posted on the website devoted to the ocean. Alex says he wanted Lila to see training can be fun, maybe a little delicious too.
No snaps from the claws, we hope.
I didn't even think about that.
Is that considered
Does he
poaching?
have a lobster?
I don't know, Taylor. I don't know if Lila has a fishing license. That's an excellent point.
Yeah.
We're going to have to look into that. Turning now to the Star Wars villains who are now taking center stage and Jimmy Fallon's must-see musical mashup. Dylan has it all in our Friday Pop Stars.
All right, and let's start with Star Wars and the newest Star Wars trailer. And unlike the previous ones, this trailer doesn't focus on the heroes. It looks at the dark side.
There's been an awakening. Have you felt it? Yes.
The villain, Kylo Ren, is the star of this trailer called All the Way. Star Wars The Force Awakens hits theaters December 18th. A side note, I just started watching the Star Wars just to see what all the buzz was about because I never watched it growing up.
Did you see any of them?
I'm kind of obsessed now.
You never saw any of it in your
Because
house.
it was like something my brothers watched.
Wow.
Seen any of the Star Wars movies?
They're really good. I highly recommend them.
But
Yeah. People are onto something with this whole Star Wars thing.
This is
Some
taking
of us discovered them in 1977. But I'm glad you
I wasn't born yet, so in my defense. There we go. And moving on to Jimmy Fallon. He brought out actress Rashida Jones, and together they sang holiday-themed parodies of some of your favorite songs.
I want me with the mashed potatoes. I want me with the mashed potatoes. Eat the turkey leg. Eat the turkey leg. Gonna make a turkey sandwich. There's leftovers in the refrigerator. There's leftovers in the refrigerator. There's leftovers in the refrigerator. Saturday night and I'm really good. The Grinch is on, so let's watch. I got deals on Black Friday. So I'm gonna tackle you. Get out of the way. I can't celebrate 'cause I'm a Jew. I got candles and menorahs.
that's so funny.
It's so good. Queen Latifah joining in to the remix of the Macklemore song, Downtown.
I love it. They make it look so easy, but that is not easy to do,
I wonder
right?
how long they practice for.
Right? So
It's so
funny,
good.
though.
Jimmy does it again. All right, Dylan, thank you very much. Now to your other duties. You can step to the weather monitor,
Okay.
please. Yes.
Let's head over and talk temperatures, where it is going to be a very warm one today, up and down the East Coast, out ahead of this front, the same front that's causing heavy rain out ahead of it, but the cold air behind it causing ice and even some snow. So look at our temperatures today. Kansas City 31, Amarillo, Texas 24, but on the eastern side of this front, temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. 63 in New York City. Tallahassee should get up to 80 degrees today. That's 10 degrees above average. Tomorrow, this cooler air starts to settle into Chicago, a little bit below average with a high of 40. Memphis still doing all right. Atlanta about 71. Raleigh about 71 as well. That's 12 degrees above average. Then Sunday, it sort of balances out. The warmer air pushes into the southeast. Dallas gets back up to 49, which is still colder than normal for this time of year. New York City still hovering around 50 degrees, which is 1 degree above average. Here's that front, and this is our area of concern, northern Texas into central Oklahoma, where we are still looking at the chance of perhaps a half an inch of additional ice accumulation because of the freezing rain. Denver and some of the higher elevations out in the Rockies could end up with another foot of snow, and then we're looking at the rain. Again, some flooding rain possible from Texas stretching through the Midwest and up into the Great Lakes, and that will slowly move eastward through the weekend, possibly causing some delays at the airports. That's a look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek out your window.